everyone. Today I'm making the Rubik's Cube for my fans because they always subscribe. And now I'm starting. And as you can see, I'm doing it very fast. And I'm going to be doing it layer by layer, but I'm not just making 2 layers or 3 layers. And actually I'm just making 3 layers. And as you can see, my first layer is done. Now we will move on to our second layer. And as you can see, there's a green and an orange like this. So I will try and put the orange here. We're doing the left algorithm. And now you can see the bit that was here has came here. And now there's an orange and a blue. See? And now I'm going to do the right algorithm because it's in my right hand. And there you go. Almost all of the layers have been completed. Now I will do the right algorithm again. And now there you go. I've done my second layer. Now we will do our plus sign on the yellow. Find the yellow piece that has a yellow piece, and then keep doing the method that is front, right, up inwards, left inwards, and then right inwards. And there you go. A plus sign is made. Now try and see in the middle pieces of these. I can see orange and blue. Start with your right color. My right hand is starting at the blue. Now I will start with the blue. There you go. The middle pieces are all done. Let's see which corner pieces is matching. Green and blue are matching because there's a green and a blue next to each other. And none of them are matching except for the same one. Now I will do the color orange again. All of them are matching. Now we will do our yellow pieces. As you can see, all of the layers are done.